Hi, in today's video we're gonna talk about the 6 benefits of eating cranberries. Excellent source of antioxidants. The oxidation process occurs when the body is damaged by stressors from the environment, diet, or simply everyday life. Antioxidants help reduce the effects of these aggressors on our bodies by protecting against cell damage. Cranberries are considered by some to be a superfood due to their high antioxidant and nutritional content, and they also contain phytochemicals such as vitamin C, flavanol polyphenols, and proanthocyanidins. According to a 2009 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, more than 7% of people ages 6 and older were deficient in vitamin C when tested with their blood. More than half of those surveyed ate low amounts of vitamin C-rich foods. Just one serving, 100 grams, of cranberries provides 25% of the recommended daily allowance for vitamin C. Cranberries are a great source of the polyphenol quercetin, a potent antioxidant that scientists have found to have anti-inflammatory effects and cardiovascular benefits. Some studies also show that quercetin has some positive effects on the gut microbiome, meaning it helps healthy gut bacteria to thrive. When it comes to health conditions treated with cranberries and cranberry supplements, urinary tract infections are the most common. However, few realize that cranberries may also have benefits for people with diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, and digestive problems. In the United States, nearly 500,000 people are admitted to the hospital each year due to complications from urinary tract infections, or UTIs, as they are commonly called. UTIs, which are more common in women than in men, in addition to being painful, can cause serious complications, one of the most common being bacterial infection of the blood. Nearly 11% of women reported a urinary tract infection in the past 12 months. Furthermore, it is estimated that 1 in 2 women will develop at least one urinary tract infection during her lifetime. Around the world, tens of millions of women contract a urinary tract infection each year. According to a 2014 study in Clinical Infectious Disease, cranberry supplements appear to be helpful in preventing urinary tract infections and are inexpensive. A 2013 study confirmed the efficacy of cranberry supplements in preventing recurrent urinary tract infections in people at risk. How do cranberries help? The answer lies in the molecules inside the cranberry fruit, which help prevent E. coli bacteria, which is the cause of 80% of infections, from sticking to the bladder wall and causing an infection. Suggested dosage, as indicated on the label. Type 2 diabetes mellitus, or diabetes as it is commonly known, is a lifestyle disease. It is a disease that affects millions of people around the world. People with diabetes suffer from elevated blood sugar, glucose levels, which cause oxidative damage to blood vessels, nerves, and organs, such as the kidneys and eyes. An example of rust is a car that rusts due to the effects of the weather. Diabetes increases the risk of heart attacks, strokes, foot amputations, and kidney failure. A healthy diet plays an important role in managing diabetes. A 2017 study concluded that adding cranberries to a high-fat meal could help lower blood sugar levels in patients with type 2 diabetes, while another 2017 study showed that cranberries could actually help make insulin more efficient. Additionally, a 2018 study concluded that daily consumption of cranberry juice, 240 milliliters, for 12 weeks, demonstrated a beneficial effect on glucose control in people with diabetes. Note, cranberry juice is the natural juice while cranberry cocktail is loaded with sugar. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death in the United States, Europe, and Asia. Unfortunately, as more countries adopt Western lifestyles in place of their ancestral diets, heart disease will continue to advance. In the United States alone, deaths due to heart and vascular disease needlessly affect nearly 1 million people each year. High blood pressure is one of the main risk factors for heart disease. More than 1 billion of the world's 7.6 billion people suffer from high blood pressure. One of the most important ways to prevent heart disease and reduce inflammation in the arteries and heart is to choose the right foods to eat. Several studies have verified the benefits of a Mediterranean diet on heart health. For example, a 2013 study in the New England Journal of Medicine concluded A Mediterranean diet supplemented with extra virgin olive oil or nuts reduced the incidence of major cardiovascular events, among people at high cardiovascular risk. Cranberries can also play an important role. A 2016 study mentions the benefits of cranberries on heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. The doctor of the future may recommend adding cranberries to your diet as a way to prevent heart disease. More than 2,000 years ago, Hippocrates declared, "All disease begins in the intestine." Science backs this up, and focusing on gut health is critical to improving overall health. When we eat food, we are not only feeding our body, but we are also feeding the beneficial bacteria in our gut. These healthy bacteria help keep the body strong and help boost a healthy immune system. When the intestinal tract is out of balance, diseases begin. According to some studies, the nutrients in cranberries act as a prebiotic, which means that they are a type of a food for our beneficial gut bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. These bacteria help prevent the overgrowth of potentially harmful pathogenic bacteria in our intestinal tract, and help optimize our digestion and absorption of nutrients. There are stomach bacteria called Helicobacter pylori, which when present, increase the risk of stomach ulcers and stomach cancer. Doctors often test for these bacteria when a patient complains of stomach problems like acid reflux or gastritis. Studies show that consuming cranberry juice can help eliminate these bacteria from the stomach. Additionally, a 2005 study of 189 men showed that drinking cranberry juice for 90 days could suppress H. pylori infection in the stomach. If your doctor has diagnosed you with H. pylori, please discuss whether this fruit is an option. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up so we continue doing informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.